About a year and a half ago, I broke a rocker arm and decided to go ahead and just completely rebuild the motor. It had near 200,000 miles on it. I had a spare stroker crank laying around, so I went from a 2.5 to a 2.8, Ross aluminum forged pistons, higher lift cam, larger injectors, many other little goodies. So the problem I'm having now is that my stock computer doesn't run very well with it. I have warm start problems. Runs rich when I first started up. Then I had to go smog it, so I went down to the smog station and I was running at 1500 hydrocarbons. They looked at me and said, "Man, with your high lift cam and the way you built this motor and everything, there's no way in the world you're going to pass smog." So I went home and did a little research, and then I returned and showed them some adjustments that you can do to the airflow meter. You can basically adjust this spring tension on the flap, which will lean or richen the mixture. Right here's a CO2 adjustment. So we started playing with it, and to our surprise, it passed at 7 hydrocarbons, 0.01 CO. At one point they actually restarted their computer thinking that something was faulty with it, but it worked just fine. So that was pretty cool. But I still have, some running problems, and so I went ahead and decided to build a new EMS. It's called Megasquirt, and you can go to DIYAutotune.com and learn a little bit about it. It's a pretty awesome setup. It has a built-in map sensor that's upgradable to 40 psi for running boost. It doesn't require an airflow meter, so I'll be able to get rid of this. And there's a bung welded on the bottom here. You can't see it. And I have an IAT intake air temperature sensor. It's a GM part that can be used for intake or coolant temperature sensor. So that'll definitely pick up some horsepower there, and better free flow through the intake. Megasquirt has many options for different types of ignition systems. Right now I have a stock coil, wires, a cap and rotor. You can see right down here, crank angle sensor. And so is what I'm doing is I'm going to run GM coil packs that I've already got wired in. This is for boost control, for boost solenoid, future application. I'll be able to get rid of my coil, cap and rotor and all that, just have my wires routed right over here to the coil packs. Running wasted spark.